Hi everyone, going to do a little QTP, quick tutorial and playthrough of Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Now I have a tutorial on this, so please take a look at it before you try to play this. It's going to explain the intro, what we did with the strumming on the intro. Also there's a run at the end of the intro, and that run is also used at the end of the chorus to get us back into a verse. So there's also some things about the ghost strumming in the intro. Also in the verse, we tend to hold the chords longer than one measure, and when that happens, you can strum the downbeat of the 4, so the and of 4 can get played. Usually our regular strum is down, down, up, down, and then we come back up silent to change chords or whatever. Well, anytime you hold a chord longer than just a measure like that, you can add that and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you can pick that brush stroke up on the and of 4. Also the ghost strumming that happens in the intro, that's where you just go on and lift your fingers. And even though it's noise or whatever, it smooths out sonically the sound, and you don't have this pulsing that goes on. Very similar to what we're talking about when it's the playing of the and of 4, because you want noise to go on. Now the songs are played by Creedence Clearwater. They do Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Somewhere around 116, maybe a little bit above that. And for Who'll Stop the Rain, they have it at 120, maybe just a tad above that. But we're going to play this at 112, okay? So we're going to take this down just a little bit and play it at 112. So here we go with the metronome. Okay, at 112, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down a sunny day. And we're gonna end on the D. Okay, there you go. Now, to do the medley, you'll notice on the chart, it's going to go to a G7. But to play this as a standalone song, you can just end on the D on that second time through the chorus there. Hope you enjoy.